Hey guys, finally, the Nubia Z60 Ultra is now officially launched in China today. It's a flagship with a unique camera style and for the first time GT made device IP68 water and dust proof. The Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with flat 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and the peak brightness is 1500 nits display with a 5th gen UCC display and the new technology using this display. The display is BOE-Q9 Plus and the high pixel density is 4000 ppi and Nubia Z60 Ultra has been upgraded to the under-display camera 5th gens with improvement technology. The phone comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX800, 50 megapixel ultra wide and the phone also comes with 48 megapixel OB64V periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and the phone is also come with 12 megapixel under display selfie camera. And here is some picture sample and as you can see that all the picture look like too much good. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like this camera picture quality? The Nubia Z60 Ultra have a latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with LPDDR5X RAM up to 24 GB and UFS 4.0 storage, and out of the box the phone running Android 14 with MyOS 14. And the battery department, the phone comes with huge 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging and the phone also comes with 3 beautiful color black, silver and grey. And Nubia Z60 Ultra starting price is 3999 RMB for 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage and the phone also available 5 variant. So that's all about Nubia Z60 Ultra, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.